Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to return from AliExpress. So in AliExpress application, go to your account and open orders section. There find order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details, and there you should see button Return and Refund. So now it should look like this. The first thing that you have to do is answer a few questions. So the first question is, did you receive your item? Select yes. And the second question, whether you want to return your item. Select yes as well. Then you have to provide a reason why you are requesting this refund or return. So tap this arrow and you will see a list of reasons. So simply tap on one reason that suits you the best and that describes your problem best. Tap continue. And you can also enter refund amount that you want to get here in this box, but usually if you are returning items to AliExpress, you don't simply receive your refund, but it depends. Tap continue and confirm your return method right here. So there are two options. The first one is AliExpress free return service and second one is self drop off. So select one method that is more convenient to you. Tap continue, and here in this box you can provide more information, which is optional, but you can do that still. So write a few questions, write a few sentences where in details you explain why exactly you do your return, and upload your photo or video if something is wrong with your item, so that this is a proof for the seller that your item is damaged, for example. And do not forget to save your request by pressing submit button at the bottom. And basically your request will be processed within a few business days, and after your request is approved, make sure that you get your free return label. In order to do that, you need to go to my orders section and go to order that you want to return and open dispute page, and there you should see your free return label. But you have a deadline of 5 days to get your label, and if you miss that deadline, your case will be closed and you will be no longer able to reopen the dispute. So download your label and print it, then pack your parcel, and within 15 days of receiving your label you should drop off your parcel at the local post office, and basically wait until seller will receive your item. So that's how we can basically make a return on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.